Beside me is the new 2022 Honda Civic Si, and as a dedicated Honda fanboy and Honda nerd, I own a 2010 Honda Civic Si with a glorious K20 engine. I have a lot of questions for this new 11th gen model, and one of the most important ones in my opinion is the noise. When I reviewed the 10th generation Civic Si back when that debuted for 2017, I thought overall it was a fantastic package, though it did have a few weak spots. Most notably was the noise. The new 1.5-liter turbo L series engine produced a lot more torque than its predecessors, but it wasn't exactly the most charismatic engine. And this new 11th gen model uses a revised version of that powertrain. Fortunately, Honda says they've employed both hardware and software tweaks to make this new 11th gen model sound and feel more charismatic. But today we're going to put that to the test because I have microphones and cameras from all different angles. We're going to see how this thing sounds inside and out. So under the hood here we have the L15 engine. It's a 1.5-liter turbo 4 that for the 2022 Si receives a bunch of changes, including a new exhaust system, a new turbocharger, a new state of tune, and crucially something called active sound control. ASC is a technology used by a lot of manufacturers these days to make the in-cabin sound of the new Si better, bolder, more full sounding, because these downsized turbocharged engines can come across as a bit grainy and anemic sounding from behind the wheel. Now, as far as we're concerned, ASC is adjusted by the drive mode selector down here. In normal mode, ASC is off, making for a rather quiet experience. Though if you put it in sport, or in this case individually, which you can configure to your liking, ASC can be activated, making the in-cabin sound of the engine notably louder thanks to Bose audio system, for better or for worse. So this is what the new Si sounds like when you're sitting in the cabin. Okay, so there's that, but Honda has modified the exhaust for the new 11th gen Si to make a more freer flowing, louder system. So let's hear what those modified tailpipes actually sound like. But what about from the front of the car? Okay, what about with the hood up? Oh, hi there. It's your boy, just checking in. Are you enjoying the video so far? Well, of course you are. That's because this is some grade A primo content we're talking about. So go ahead and show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It's free and it helps the channel. All right, back to the video. This is all well and good, but how does it sound when you're actually, well, driving the Si? roll into it. So the difference between ASC on and ASC off when you're driving the SI is pretty pronounced. But what about from the outside of the car? Let's see some flyby action. So, does the new 2022 Civic Si sound better than its predecessor? Yes, but that's not a very high bar to clear. Does it sound as good as old school Hondas that we know and love? Well, no, it doesn't. But that's obviously what the aftermarket's for. There'll be a variety of downpipes, muffler deletes, things like that to really wake this thing up, make it sound more, well, loud. Maybe not better, but definitely louder. Alright guys, I think that's all I got for this one. Thank you very much for watching. You made it all the way through. Hopefully you found this helpful. I think it's pretty interesting to see how Honda changes the new SI for us enthusiasts, for better or for worse sometimes. And I think that's all I got. So my name is Jake. You've been watching Drive, Brake, Fix, Repeat. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time or go do more fun things with cars. Bye.